Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here, back with another Jurassic World toy review. Just like the last video, I'm having my best friend look at these Mattel figures, the recently released ones, and she'll be taking a look at them, giving a more honest opinion, as I tend to over-exaggerate how awesome they are because I love them. But she has no background in Jurassic Park or Jurassic World, so she's going to be doing like this kind of outside, normal person view on these figures. So let's dive right in.
The sun is in my eyes.
Your face is not in the video, don't worry. We'll focus on the toys. Boom.
Okay, cool. So, should I go to the side here?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, so I've already reviewed the mosasaurus, so we're just putting him away. We don't want him.
Yes.
I'm not going up with him again. I mean, it's small.
Yeah. Wow. Very accurate. Yeah, we're also on the side of the road right now, guys.
Precious. It's tiny. I don't know how much it costs, so I can't really say much.
I think it's
like
$15, $16.
Okay. That's not bad, actually. I feel like that's worth it. Sometimes if you push this down, it just doesn't go back up.
Kind of sad.
So you gotta, like, do that. So, there's something. I mean, it's got an action figure. That's kind of cool. Or an action...
Feature, thank you.
Can we just restart this?
Wait, no. It's posable too. Like,
yeah,
the arms and
you
stuff.
can move the legs. This one's a little hard to move. I don't know if I'm supposed to move it or not.
Oh no, yeah, it's fully, yeah.
Yeah, it's like a little hard to move, but I mean, it does move. And it stands, which is always good. Its head moves, which is also a bit hard to move, but you always kind of want that in a head.
Right, you're blocking the head.
Oh, sorry. Like, it's hard to move, but you want that because, obviously, you don't want its head to dangle down.
Yeah.
So that's good. Yeah, I mean, I don't like the colors, but I don't know anything about the movie.
That one's based off of, I think, the second movie. It's the Tiger Raptor.
Okay, well...
It's like a fan favorite.
I'm sorry to everyone who likes the Tiger Raptor, but I think it's a bit ugly.
What about the other one in the back?
Okay, so this one's worse.
Of course. Very clear.
Reminds me of Christmas.
Santa Raptor.
Yeah, a little bit. It does not have the action feature.
Put it on the thing and then press down on its like back. Wait, let's see if it does it.
Whoa, okay, it jumps. I lied. So it does that. Which is actually kind of cool, although it doesn't land very well. So that would be kind of better. It opens its mouth and its head moves very little and only to like, oh, you can turn it in a 360, which is kind of fun. And its arms move and its legs don't because it springs.
Yeah. What'd you rate that guy out of?
I would rate him like a 5.
Agreed.
I don't like his action figure or his action feature. He doesn't do much. His nails are green for some reason, and he's also ugly. I would rate him a 6. I like his action figure, but I also don't like him very much. He's kind of ugly. No offense to all the fans of these two. I'm sorry.
Pain.
Don't unsubscribe. This is Spinosaurus. I think.
Yeah, you're correct. I'm glad you know that.
His eye kind of creeps me out. It's like orange.
There's a button on the back of his head you can press down.
That's kind of cool. I like that feature. I did it too many times. His head moves slightly. I guess I should use my hand. Which is also kind of cool if you're like playing with it or taking photos or something. Its tail wags.
Aw.
Like a dog.
Puppy.
So that's also kind of cool. I like him. He's a bit bigger, so I think that's kind of cooler. And he's not as he's visually better. I also like his nails because they give like a transparent vibe, but they're not. I don't know how to explain that. You know, maybe I shouldn't have said that.
No, they're shiny. No, I get it. I understand.
Yeah. I also, like, there's no mistakes that, like, pop out when you look at him. So that's kind of cool. Although, I don't know why his feet are, like, grainy. And I also don't like how you can turn them like that and it looks like,
That's cursed.
it looks like that.
Broken.
So, I mean, yeah. He's got some, like, texture, which is kind of cool and funky. And he, yeah. And I like the rib thing. Like, I like the detail they put into this.
Oh, yeah,
And
100%.
under here, because they made it, like, flabby.
Yeah, like the flaps
Yeah.
that you'd see, like, on an elephant or a salamander.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so I'd rate him probably, like... I'd rate him a solid 8 or 9 out of 10.
Wicked. Absolutely agreed. Oh no, we've got my $70 Rex.
Okay, well, I don't really know much about this thing, but I think it's kind of cool that this was part of the movie and they put it on this Rex. So that's kind of cool. I like that part because it shows that they will like do things for their fans.
Because back in the day they had that with the original toys back in the like 90s.
Yeah.
That capture gear.
So that's cool. That's really cool because then it shows sort of the past and it also shows the movie itself. And that they pay attention to detail.
If you put it on the head and then press the button on the back, it like yeets it off. Yeah, press it a few times.
Okay, that's actually pretty cool. That's really cool. All right. So that's his action feature. And it also pushes that off, which is pretty nice.
If you grab it and twist the tail back and forth, it stomps. That's what the legs do. No, you gotta turn the tail like it's a bike handle. And possibly you hold the figure while it does it. This is a little awkward.
Okay, so far he's my favorite. I like his action features. He does very fun things. I like that she does very fun things. I like that you can make it stop. I also like that you can make it squat.
I love that too. That's amazing.
I like the detail they put into it. I mean, there's no... Okay. The mosasaurus had a little bit of chunky paint in the creases. This guy doesn't. Granted, the creases aren't as deep, but the paint's still not chunky.
Yeah.
So I like that. Okay. I also like that you can't turn his feet so it looks like they're broken. And all in all, I think he's pretty solid. I hate this. This looks ugly.
Yeah, I don't... Oh, God. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there.
But you know what? They tried. If you keep it
At
like
least,
this...
yeah, it's on the bottom. You can't really see it.
Yeah, at least it's not like right here or something, so you're good.
And look at all... They've got, like, movie details, too, with the scratch marks and stuff.
Okay, that's actually... Yeah, that's really cool as well. I also just like the paint in general. And the scarring that they put in. Super cool. His eyelids are shiny. I don't know if they're supposed to be. But that's a cool detail if they are.
Fingernails are painted. You don't see that in the rest of the figures.
Yeah.
Hopefully they have more.
And they're also shiny. Yeah, all in all, I rate him a 10 out of... Or her, sorry, a 10 out of 10.
Absolutely.
The Rex is the best one.
I wish the price was a little lower. In the States, it's like $40. Here, it's 70. I mean, there is like, of course, the price difference is like, you know.
God, I wish I could figure out how to do that properly. Okay.
Grab the base and then twist. Look at her go.
She is slow.
Easily escapable.
Yeah. 10 out of 10 figure.
Wicked.
These are the coolest parts.
I agree. They're really nice. Good detail. Okay guys, that concludes the review. I really hope you guys enjoyed this collab and you got some interesting and helpful information on these figures, whether or not you should get them and whatnot, and a good outside view and look at them. So again, hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Go ahead, just